Shall we start the class?
Yes.
Next week having monthly test, no?
Yes.
In the exam.
Yes.
Did you know the thing got the portions? You have got the portion. All you know very well the semi-consonants. All you know very well semi-consonants. Consonants given, you should write the semi-consonant letter. Semi-consonant see here. Ka, given, you should write ik. Say ka, ik. I think you already studied this one. Let us revise. Ka, ik. This is k. We said that and then ik. This is ka. And this is
We want to write
no,
we want to write G. 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 We want to write G.
here or not? Or here to write.
Yes, G. We want to. Ma'am, we have to write this G.
In the exam only you have to write. This is nga and this is ing. See here. Say ka, ik, ka, ik, ga, ig, ga, ig, nga, ing. See here. In Tamil, if you put a dot, that is semi-consonants. But Hindi, half letter should be considered as semi-consonants. In ka, you should stop the ka up to this one. This is ik. Here, you have to remove in this letter. For this letter and this letter, what is the difference mean? You have to remove this line. If you remove that line, means it becomes its semi-consonants. Ka, ik, ga, ig, g, ig, nga, ing. Like that. First cha, this is cha. Then here there is a line. So you should remove the line. If you remove this line, this is ich. See here, this is cha and this is ich. Like that. This is cha and this is ich. Small dot. Then this is ja. And this is ij. You should remove the line. Only you have to remove this line alone. But this is called Sirorika. You should put this line for all letters. Here there is no full line here. So you are putting a dot and a slanting line. See here, this is jaw and this is idj. See here, here you are removing this line. Then this is nya. This is Tamil letter nya. See here, this is Tamil letter nya and this is Tamil letter. If you remove the line, it becomes its semi-consonants inch. Cha, ich, ch, ich, ja, ij, j, ij, nya, inch. Like that, this is ta. See here, in the ta for 4 letters, there is no full line at last. Only for na alone, there is a line. So, what you should do is, you should put a small dot and a slanting line. This is ta and this is it. This is t and this is it. This is da and this is id. This is da and this is id. Na, in. For this line letter alone, you have to remove this line. Say ta, it, t, it, da, id, d, id, na, in. Next, ta line. This is ta and this is it. See here, you should remove this line. Ta, it. This is t. See here, only this line you are removing. No sleeping line should come here. You should put sleeping line only for this line. Since you are removing this line, you should not put this line here. So, ta, it. Again, I am telling, no sleeping line should come here. Sleeping line should come only for this line. Since you are removing this line, you should not put sleeping line here. Ta, it. This is da. And this is id. See here, one small dot and a slanting line. Fourth da is as like as second ta. No sleeping line should come here. Since you are removing this line, you should not put sleeping line for this id. The id. This is na and this is in. Ta, it, t, it, da, id, the, id, na, in. This is pa and this is ip. Pa. You should remove this line. You should remove this line. This is pa and this is ip. This is fa and this is if. See here, you should stop up to this one. Up to. You should not extend. Then ba. See here, ba. You should remove this line. Ib. This is ba and this is ib. This is ma and this is im. No sleeping line should come. Once again, I am telling, no sleeping line should come for these 3 letters, semi-consonant letters. Ta, it, t, it, da, id, the, id, na, in. Pa, ip, fa, ip. Ba, ib, ba, ib, ma, im. Then ya, ya, you should remove only this line. Ra is differently, you should put one small C up. This is ir. This is ra and this is ir. So, semi-consonants of ra is called rape. Ra, ir. This is la and this is gil. This line. This is va and this is yiv. ya, yi, ra, yir, la, yil, va, yiv. Then this is sha. You should remove this line. Ish, sha, ish. This is sha and this is ish. This is sa and this is is. Only you have to remove this line alone. Then ha. This is ich. That's all. Say ta, it, the, it, da, id, the, id, na, in, pa, ip, fa, ip, ba, ib, ba, ib, ma, im, ya, yi, ra, yir, la, yil, va, yu, sha, ish, sha, ish, sa, is, ha, ich. Semiconsonants. Next one. This is first. Next one. English meanings. You should write the English meanings for Hindi word. This is ma. One cow means may. Two cows means my. For that, my. You should write word meanings for these words. My. My means I. My means I. My in Tamil, non. Next, first, second one, tu, ma. Tum means you. Tu, ma. Tum means you. Ni in Tamil, ni. Third one, a, pa. Op means op also you, but it will come for respect and plural. Respect and plural. See here, op means நீங்கள், tum means நீ. Tu, ma, tum, you. Apa, op means you. நீங்கள். Fourth one, ha, ma, hum. Hum means we. Ha, ma, hum means we. Tamil, நாம், நாங்கள். Ha, ma, hum means we. நாம், நாங்கள். Fifth one, ya, ha, yah. Yah means he, she, it, this. Yah means he, she, it, this. Yaha, yah means he, she, it, this. Sixth one, va, ha. Vah means he, she, that. Vah means he, she, that. Yah. So yah comes for both masculine, feminine and non-living things. Like that. Vah, he, she, that. Tamil, yah means ivan, ival, idu, inda. Vah means avan, aval, adu, anda. So yah vah comes only for singular. Next one, ya. Ya, one cow means ye. Press singular, yah. Plural form for yah, ye. Yah, singular, ye, plural. So, ye means they. They means they, those. Ye means they, these. They means they, those. இவர்கள், இவைகள். அவர்கள், அவைகள். So you should write English meanings. Only Hindi word will be given. You should write the English meanings for this. My, I. My, I. Tum, you, tumatum, you, tumatum, you. Apa of you. Tum means me, of means ningal. Hum, we, hama, hum means we. Yaha, yahu means he, she, it, this. Yahu means he, she, it, this. In Tamil, ivan, ival, idu, inda. Vaha, vahu means avan, aval, adu, anda. Next, yak, one cow, ye, they, these. Ivargal, iவைகள். They, those. Avargal, அவைகள். I think this is clear. Next one, see here. Choose the correct answer. In the last class, I taught you present tense. See here, present tense. See here, in the box, it will be given. High means is. Who also are. Whom. Whom means am. Then high means dot plural. See here, my. My means I. My comes means always the sentence ends with whom. So my, the dash will be given. You should choose the correct answer and write. My comes means it always ends with whom. Whom means am. Its meaning is am. My whom. For example, my ladka whom. That means I am a boy. My ladki whom. That means I am a girl. So my comes means it ends with whom. So my means I, who means am. My who means I am. In Tamil, நான் இருக்கிறேன். See here, this rules is applicable only for present tense, not for past tense and future tense. My, whom. Next, see here, tu, ma, tum. This is first person singular. First person singular, my means it ends with whom. Tum means second person singular, it ends with ho. Tum ho. That means you are. Tum, my means I. Tum means you. Tum comes means it ends with ho. You are. In Tamil, ni irikkirai. Tum ho means ni irikkirai. Third one, ha, ma. Hum means we. Hum means that is first person plural. So, always for plural and respected person, only hai will come. So, hai dot. Don't forget, hum means we. My, always keep in mind, my comes means it ends with whom. My whom. My whom. Tum ho. Tum ho. Hum hai. Hum hai. Next, apa op. This is op means second person plural. So that also hai. For plural and for respected person only hai will come. Then yaha, yak is third person singular. It always ends with hai. Yak hai. Yak hai. Yak hai. Then vaha, vah means it also ends with he is, she is. For example, he is a boy, she is a girl. Next, see here, ye, ya, one cow. Ye means plural. So it comes dot, hai. They means they also ends with hai. Keep in mind, don't forget, yak. Yak, singular, ye plural. Vah singular, ve plural. Once again, I am telling my whom, tu ma tum ho. तुम हो, हम हैं, आप हैं, यह है. Yah comes means else. Hai means is. Hai means or. So is will come only for third person singular. Vah hai. Ye hai. Ve hai. I think this is clear. So in the exam all should write correctly. My comes means it ends. This is applicable only for present tense. Next translation. You should translate the sentence. If the sentence is translate into English, that means you should translate the sentence in see here, my ladka hum. Ladka means boy. My ladka hum. That means I am a boy. My ladka hum. So my ladka hum, like that. If it is given my ladki hum comes means you should translate. I am a girl. Like that, if the translation sentence will be given, you should like that. My ladka hum, that means I am a boy. My ladki hum, that means I am a girl. Like that. Translation. Tum ladke ho. Tum ladke ho. That means you are a boy. Tum ladke ho. That means you are a boy. Tum ladke ho. That means you are a boy. Tum ladki ho. Tum comes means it ends with ho. My comes means it ends with whom. Tum ladki ho. That means you are a girl. I think this is clear. Always keep in mind in the English and Tamil you have to put full stop. But in Hindi you have to put one line. That one line. This is full stop in Hindi. So at last you should put full stop. You are a boy, full stop. Tum ladki ho, you full stop. Understand? This is translate into English. Then, like that, the sentence will be given. Once again, I am telling, my ladka whom. That means, I am a boy. My ladki whom. That means, I am a girl. Tum ladki ho. That means, you are a girl. Tum ladke ho. That means, you are a boy. Like that. Yah kalam hai. That means this is a pen. Yah comes means it ends with hai. Vah comes means it also ends with hai. But ye way, aap hum, like that. For example, my ladki whom. Hum comes means hum ladkiyan hain. Plural form. Next question, translate into Hindi. So the question will be in English. You should translate the question in, for example, I am a girl. What you should write? I am a girl means my ladiki whom. I am a girl means my ladiki whom. I am a girl, like it comes means my ladiki whom. I am a boy means my ladka whom. Like that. You are a girl comes means tum ladiki ho. You are a girl. If it is the sentence is given like this, tum ladiki ho. My comes means it ends with whom. Tum comes means it ends with who. In middle, whatever word it may come. See, like that. My Mohan whom. My Ram whom. My Sita whom. Next. Next verbs. See here. Many verbs. The previous class I taught you many verbs. It also means come. Means come. This is match the following. Match the following verbs. All these are verbs. See here, means come. Ja means go. K means eat. Ga means sing. Pad means read. Lik means write. Lik means write. Dek means see. Kar means do. So, you should match. This is 1, 2, 3. So, means come. Means come. Come. So, you should match. Come. Come. Ja means go. Ja, go. Ja means go. Ka means eat. Ka, eat. Ka, eat. Ga, sing. Ga means sing. So you should match like this. Ga, sing. Ga, sing. Then lik means write. Lik means W. Lik means write. Lick, write. Lick, write. W-R-I-T-E. Lick, write. Lick, write. Deka, dek. Dek means see. Dek, see. Dek, see. Pad. Pad means read. Pad means read. Kar means do. Once again, I am telling you should put the numbers. You should put the numbers for the match. Come. So, first come. Ja, go. Ka. Ka means eat. Ka, eat. Second ka, eat. Third ga, sing. Ga. These are all one-letter verbs. These are all two-letter verbs. Pada, pad means read. Pad means read. Lik means write. Dek means see. Dek means see. Kar means do. There are many verbs. If the meeting disconnects means once again you rejoin in the meeting. Once again I am telling, if the meeting disconnects means once again you rejoin in the meeting. See? Come. Come. You should put the numbers. Now you reconnect. Once again you reconnect to the meeting. All of you reconnect to the meeting.
Yes, G.
Are you here? Are you all
G. I'm in meeting.
Are you
I'm in meeting, G.
say off? Go.
G, 1 minute, G.
Yes, ma'am.
Janani, sit and listen, ma. Janani. Janani, sit and listen. Okay, G, you continue, G.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
In the exam, you read by yourself and write. You should not get it from anyone. You should try to the question paper by yourself. Come. Means come. Ja, go. Ja, go. Come.